Good morning, students. In today's session, we are discussing about portfolio analysis. What is portfolio? Portfolio simply means a range of investments held by a company. Usually, investments company invests its funds belonging to its members in different kinds of securities and bonds which yield the maximum return on its investments. This is done by a judicious mix of its shareholdings. A strategic portfolio analysis, which involves identification and evaluation of all products or service groups offered by a company on the market, and so it is called product mix, and preparing specific strategies for every group according to its relative market share and actual or projected sales growth rate. So, what is a portfolio management? A portfolio management is defined as the art and science of making decisions about the investment mix and policy, matching investments to objectives, asset allocation for individuals and institutions, and balancing risk against performance. That is, an investment company prepares separate portfolios or files for different types of investments in the shares and securities of various companies. Holding shares and bonds of different companies and disposing them at different times and reinvesting the selling price again in new shares and bonds of other companies who pay higher dividends. It is called a portfolio management. This is the case of investment companies. That is, investment companies are always on the lookout for better securities and they go on changing their shareholding mix in order to earn the highest average return on their holdings. And in the same manner, a manufacturing company which produces and sells different types of products in different market segments of the country has different product market areas. Such a company should formulate a strategy that would build an effective product marketing mix of the company which would earn the highest rate of profit for the company on the whole. That is, the portfolio method enables the management to revise and refresh the company's portfolio of business by closing down the inefficient and unprofitable business units or products and adding new promising and profitable lines so that the funds of the company are invested in the most profitable way. And in a portfolio analysis, the decision of a management it includes whether to maintain an existing product or market, whether to develop new product or market, or whether to cut down the product or market, and whether to phase out the existing product or market. These are the various questions arising in front of the decision maker. So the overall object of this effort is to achieve the highest return on its total investment, whether it is in a manufacturing process or in investment process. So, what is the basic objectives of portfolio analysis? A portfolio analysis is a financial term and it is primarily the study of certain portfolio regarding its performance, return on investment and associated risk. The study or analysis is conducted with two objectives. Mainly there are two objectives of portfolio analysis. Firstly, minimizing the risk and secondly, maximizing the return. The major objectives are minimizing the risk and maximizing the returns. And in marketing, the use of portfolio analysis is done for the same two reasons mentioned above. Okay. And then next, what is the importance of portfolio analysis? The portfolio analysis is done in large multinationals with multiple product portfolios. A company should be aware of the financial health of the portfolios and their well-being. To know the top performers and strategies to maintain them, the profit makers is the primary objective of portfolio analysis. So, it is usually made to know about the financial health of the portfolios and their well-being. And secondly, no company will have all products in profit. It is there will be few products or product lines which may be loss makers. That is, these are the cash consuming portfolios and the company should be aware of them so that they can either be discontinued or revamped. The idea is to make them less costly and more profit making. That is to identify the most profitable products or product line and the loss making product or product mix, and to make a decision regarding whether to discontinue the non-profitable products or items, or whether to cut down the product or market. And finally, there is another importance, that is portfolio analysis helps the company to stay in synchronization with the vision, mission and objectives. That is, at times it may be happen that a certain portfolio may be loss making and the company may have been unknowingly being financing the dead weight for a long time. In these cases, the analysis will give a clear picture of the scenario. So the portfolio analysis is make an end to the unprofitable product or product line. The next we are discussing about the problems faced by strategic business units while conducting the portfolio analysis. A strategic business units may face certain problems while they are conducting a portfolio analysis. Firstly, determination of the share market. It is difficult to find out the share of their market. And secondly, a portfolio analysis does not take into consideration the factors of inflation, which will have an influence on the cost and price level, affecting the cash flow and profitability of the business concern. And next, a portfolio analysis may not be very useful in conditions of changing foreign exchange rates for a business or an organization whose main business is export or import. And finally, a business which has different types of product mix faces a difficult problem of choosing the right product and locating it in the proper market segment. These are the various problems faced by a strategic business units while conducting a portfolio analysis. So, a portfolio analysis must be beneficial to the corporation and it should create an effective cash control system. The cash should be centrally collected from various business units and should be channeled to those units where it is more required. That is an effective portfolio analysis and strategy.